Well, I guess we're gonna do a walk around of my truck today. My mom has dubbed this truck Trouble, and I think most of people that meet it agree. So I started the build knowing that I was gonna do a bunch of fun stuff. So I started with suspension and tires. Upgraded to OME suspension. Tires and wheels with BFGs. They've been pretty reliable and awesome. Put a Warren winch up front with a hidden light bar and a couple of fancy lights. These cut through the fog really nice. I put all the air tools together up under the hood. I don't know if I'll keep it that way, but at least this way I don't forget things. So this is where they are. And I put the switch on the actual box. And then all my stuff's in here too, so don't forget it. And then, so today we had the Metaltech sliders installed. They seem really awesome. These little Tacoma twins, I think, make these little handlebars. This stuff, this box changes with the season. Like sometimes it's got chains or sometimes it's got other stuff for the season. Most of my tools and stuff have I think it's a 180 watt solar panel on the roof. And then that's plugged into a red arc system. So I'll get the keys for the back. Right now, it's set up to mostly just jump in and get on my bike, but it can change in 20 minutes. Tonight, I'm gonna put my ski gear in there. This is kind of my kitchen area. So it's a front runner table with a little slide out and all my taco making tools. Open up the top for you. I love how easily the top goes up. So it goes up on gas struts, and one of my favorite things is that these inside compartments also do that, so I can walk around in here. This is a water tank. It's 50 liters, I think about 13 gallons, and it goes all the way across the window. And then it's plumbed to come out. It's empty right now for the cold season. This is a shore power plug, and it goes into my electrical system, which is mostly housed in this little cabinet my dad and I worked on. You got your DC-DC charger stuff up here. This is kind of the brains of it, and then 100 amp hour lithium ion battery. You can ask it to tell you all sorts of things. Right now it's saying the battery is 100% full. The car is on, so it's getting charged from the car and also from the solar panel. So all my bedding just stays up here. You can climb in if you want. There's storage spaces for things. I got like a little fan. It's been on the truck for like a year and a half, and I haven't had any like weather problems really. One of my favorite things is that it's kind of indestructible and hard to break into. Both sides have the bug screens and another like non-see-through level. What I like about this guy is that I can do it by myself. It starts out with like a little bit of a blue flame. You have to hold it. Sometimes I gotta light it a couple times. There we go.
Nice and warm.
It's pretty toasty. It can make it comfortable in here down in like probably high 20s.
The way that I have to do it is I have to put my foot up top. I can't do it any other way. Like, my weight does absolutely nothing.